It's been a warm day in the UK today, May the 5th, Force 13 HQ reaching a high temperature of 21 Celsius, 70 degrees Fahrenheit, along with Heathrow and Northolt both in London. Elsewhere, many places reached 20 degrees, and last night's lows were rather low as well. Trosgoed and Shobden near the Welsh border reaching a low temperature of 1 Celsius above freezing. Cloudy on Friday, sunshine with possible thunderstorms in the evenings this weekend into next week, and of course it's going to be warmer than average, as you're probably well aware by now. But let's see just exactly what's going to happen over the next few days. First of all, the air pressure charts. This is the forecast. A little bit of low pressure starting to creep in there, which will produce a few showers here and there. That's what will be causing the cloudiness this weekend, but on the other side of that it's going to be much better. Here's Friday then. Cloudy for most of Scotland, though sunnier towards the north and just about the east towards the end of the day. High temperatures of 17 in the Scottish borders. Northern Ireland not looking too bad, partly cloudy, a high of 16, but little less warm further north, as one might say. Further south, that is where the warmth is right now, though it is cloudy for many locations, and a lot of that sunshine there will appear later in the day or earlier in the day, particularly in the south of the country. It might peep out a little bit later on in the day, but for the most part it will be cloudy, a high of 20 in the central part of England, lower than that in Ireland, around 17. Friday night will be mainly cloudy for Scotland, though there will be clear skies towards the outer fringes, the outer Hebrides, and of course the Shetland Islands and the Orkney Islands will be clear skies, and that means lower temperatures, perhaps a low of 5 for the northwestern part of Scotland, but cloudier further south, including in Northern Ireland, where the low will only fall to around 7. Further south it's going to be a rather mild night, particularly as you get beyond further south of the northwest of England. Low temperatures 10 to 13 in the southwestern part of Wales, and you might see a few holes in the clouds towards East Anglia and the southeast of England. Ireland cloudy overnight, a low of 8, 10 further south, so not too bad there either. Saturday might bring some drizzle to Scotland, particularly as the day wears on, though underneath the clouds it will be around 14 degrees as a high. Further north it will be still pretty chilly, particularly towards the northern tips of Scotland, only 9 the high on the Orkney Islands. In Northern Ireland it's not looking so good there either, rain will dominate, a high of 13. Further south, it's a rather complicated picture. It's mainly sunny, though this graphic may not be quite indicative of that. What is indicative is that thunderstorms may form in the afternoon across Wales into northwestern England and the West Midlands near the Welsh border, but high temperatures around 23 or 24 in the southeast of England, under mainly sunshine. It's going to be a good day predominantly, but might not be for some locations. Saturday night, rain will fall in parts of Scotland. The east will probably just about get away with it, the eastern coast. And again, not too warm along the northern and eastern parts of the Scottish coast, around 8 degrees the low temperature, but not too bad for the time of year. Further south, it's mostly cloudy for many areas, though the clearest of the skies will be seen across East Anglia. Low temperatures, rather mild indeed, 10 to 12 Celsius, and maybe a little bit drizzly across Wales. In Ireland, similar there, cloudy skies, 11 degrees the low. So let's take a look at Sunday, and it's looking good for Scotland as well as England, though there will be a little bit of drizzle possible in central parts of Scotland and in the west. It will be cloudier over towards the west as well, but in the east, warmer temperatures. Aberdeenshire might reach 20 or more, the Scottish borders 22 or higher, and in Northern Ireland partly cloudy, mainly with a high of 20. Further south the heat is on, particularly along the eastern coast of England. Wall-to-wall sunshine is quite likely, with high temperatures of 26, maybe even 27 in the London area under mostly sunny skies. Perhaps a little bit of rain for North Wales, possibly thundery in the afternoon. Highs there of 24 or 25, 20 to 22 in Ireland, possibly higher. Sunday night will be mainly clear. Scotland finally seeing some clear skies during the night. Low temperatures of 7 degrees along the eastern coast. Again, pretty low because of the clear skies, but much more mild underneath the cloud, 10 or 11 around the Glasgow area. and also in Northern Ireland with partly cloudy skies. In England, regardless of the clear skies, it will remain very mild. 13 will be the low in some areas under clear skies, and where the cloud is towards the west, it may not even drop lower than 14 or even 15. Maybe see a little bit of drizzle along the south coast, but generally a quiet night on Sunday. Same too for Ireland, with a low of 13 there in the south. You can follow Force 13's new UK pages on force13.com/UK. It's a work in progress, but bear with us, and of course the UK weather forecasts will continue on these videos on Force 13 UK whenever needed. Hopefully they'll be coming with more regularity in the future, so stay tuned.